Yeah,
can't floor it first gear around here. Just wait till second and put your foot down here.
beautiful.
Ever so nice and responsive.
Be much better when you rebuild it though.
Oh yeah.
That's one way to lose stuff on the floor.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Half the fun of this cat. There we go, Honda.
Honda ding dong. Move it.
Nah, they're going to ruin our fun completely from now on. Why are you braking so much? The stop sign's down there, you fucking retard.
Oh god. Rocks in their head.
Yeah.
Now you can brake.
Yes.
Hey, Bolwin. I think this is Bolwin. Yes, it says it there. Bolwin. And the camera's inundated with glare. You can't see anything.
Come on, Zoe. Slow piece of shit. Gets up to speed so damn quickly. You just have to gas the entire time. I wonder if that's cheaper to do it that way.
I'd say it's more efficient.
Yeah, probably. Just a quick squirt of gas and then idle the rest of the time. Brakes will be nice and warm.
Everything smells nice and warm.
Yeah, that's the way to go slowly here, don't want to scare these.
Yeah, we're going hard. They look concerned.
Get off the gas totally, you know. We'll get the rest of the way at the speed limit. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, I reckon this is more efficient driving than me.
Yeah.
I'm not speeding and I'm not doing burnouts, so I'm just making an awful amount of noise.
That's exactly right.
What's wrong with that?
Don't think, yeah, yobbos in dunny doors doing burnouts and shit with stocky tyres on the back.
Yeah.
I reckon any car found with stock steel wheels on the back like that, particularly if it's dumped and modified, get them with contempt. Bloody nail them. All you got to do is look under the wheel arches and find all the ground up rubber. There you go, still doing 60.
Yeah.
You can have fun without being an idiot.
Only use first gear. Pretty much all we've been doing.
Yeah.